In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can organize your finances and budget through ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can create a new project right here from the get-go and from scratch to manage your finances and budget, or we can use ClickUp templates. So click right here, and then on the search node, simply type in finance or budget, or let's say budgeting. As you can see, you should have many templates that you can use right here. For example, the personal budget, since this is for personal use. So I'm going to choose here and use template. Again, put in a list name. Where would it be located? For the import options, either import everything or customize import items. For the start and due dates, import as is or remap dates. And you can include archive tags or not. So once done, wait for ClickUp to set up your new template. Once it's done setting up, it should open automatically. So give it a few seconds, and here we go. As you can see, it even comes with a budget template guide right here with a corresponding video tutorial. Now, let's check our new template. As you can see, there is a list view for the paid and for the budgeted right here. We even have a calendar view as to when our due dates are. And of course, a Kanban board right here. So now that you've chosen this template, you now have free access to fully customize this however to your liking to help you finance and budget. And that's it. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.